So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to display your name right on your iPhone lock screen, there's a simple trick using focus mode. So in this video, I'll show you how to add your name to your iPhone lock screen without any apps. So firstly, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Tap Focus. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the focus interface. Select Custom. Now, in the name field, type your name. This is what will appear on your lock screen. Choose any icon you like. You can choose wherever you like. Then tap Next. Now, you can tap Customize Focus. You don't need to change anything here. Just leave it as it is and skip this step. Now open Control Center by swiping down on the top right corner. Press and hold the focus button and tap the focus you just created, which is your name. And it's done. Your name will now appear on your lock screen. If you can't see the plus button, you might have too many focus modes. Delete one to create a new one. And if you want to remove your name, just open Control Center. Tap your focus again to turn it off. And if you want to customize it further, which is optional, you can set this focus to activate automatically at certain times if you want. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. That's how you put your name on your lock screen on iPhone. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.